Premier has a reputation for making high-quality luxury pontoons. From the Sunspree to the Grand Majestic or the Intrigue, they have the perfect luxury pontoon for you and your family. Hey everyone, this is Eric with McLaughlin's RV Marine, and today I just want to do a quick tutorial on the two Bimini options for the Premier pontoons. First, we have their standard folding Bimini, and then we have the upgraded power Bimini option, which is becoming a lot more popular due to the ease of use, and you're probably seeing it a lot more on the water. Let's jump up into a Premier and let me show you how they work. So starting with Premier's standard Bimini, as you can see when it's in the folded up position, you have two leg options. You have the taller leg here and then your shorter leg for trailering. You can also take this all the way down to set it down if you're going under a bridge. Then to unfold it, you simply take off the boot, you grab the front bar, fold it forward, and then we're just gonna slide this over top of that screw there and latch it into place. All right, now that we're made in the shade underneath the standard Bimini, let's jump over to another Premier and take a look at their power Bimini. So now we're looking at the Premier power Bimini. And so to put this Bimini up from your folded up position, it's super simple. We're just gonna take the boot off here, and then you're gonna have a button right up on the dash. We're just gonna push up and wait for it to get all the way up. So now you've seen the two Bimini options for the Premier pontoons. Thanks for watching the video and come see us in person.